Hey everybody, Ronnie Petito with Petito's Performance Training Center, and today I'm here to talk to you about how to make your workouts faster. I know that's an issue for a lot of people, getting a workout done throughout the day. A lot of the times you don't have an hour and a half to put into it. Like me, I know I'm busy as heck, so I don't have, sometimes I only have 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and I have to set up my workout in a good enough time frame so I can go ahead and get a good workout in, still build muscle, still burn fat, and make sure in that little bit of a time frame. So let me show you a little bit about how we can go ahead and go about these workouts and set them up to get the most efficient workout for our time. So the first thing we can do is we can set up a density circuit. A density circuit, you can set up about 3 to 5 exercises, okay? Pick 3 to 5 exercises. You want at least one compound movement, squats, deadlifts, something like that, to get your heart rate going, something that's a full body, uses the full body to do a movement, hang clean, power clean, things like that. We want to be able to make this workout the most intense we possibly can. The next thing we're going to do is we set the clock for 15 to 30 minutes, and then we kill it and do as many rounds as possible. Try to make it big enough for everybody to see. So the next thing we can do, the next way we can set up, actually there's 2 ways to set up, like I said, is to superset. Try to fit this in on the bottom here. On a superset, you're going to pick you're going to pick 2 different workouts. Now the 2 workouts, pick 2 exercises. The 2 workouts, I usually tell everybody to do a push and pull or do an upper and a lower. So for the push and pull, you do like push-ups, and let's say a bent over row, like a dumbbell bent over row. Those would be 2 like good, push and pulls. And then basically you're going to alternate between the sets and not take too much rest time. What I mean by that is you're going to do 1 set of push-ups, 1 set of bent over rows, and then you're going to take a rest. And don't make it long, 30, 45 seconds, We want to keep this very intense. So do both exercises and then rest. So these are 2 good methods to use, but how can we cut down a little more time at the gym? First and foremost, this is put your phone away. No more texting. No texting. And I know a lot of people like to listen to music, but so we can get that out of the way and not sit there taking time, oh, what song do I want to listen to today? Before you get to the gym, matter of fact, the night before, know what playlist you want to listen to. You know what I'm saying? Have an idea in your head, okay, what makes me work out? What makes me ready to grind? Because I know I got 15, 30 minutes today, so I want to hit this workout intense. Have that music playlist set so you don't have to waste any time on it. Music playlist ready. And then what else do we need to do? I talked about it a little bit before. Cut down rest time. Between sets, we need to cut down our rest time. What that's going to do, and don't cut it below, 20 seconds. 20 seconds like the very, very minimum. But we want to be between like 20, 45 seconds if you can handle it, but no more than a minute of rest because we want to be very intense with this workout. Remember, we only have a short amount of time to get the most out of a 15, 30-minute exercise with just a couple exercises or with only 3 to 5. So we really need to put in a lot of work here and not take too much time resting. We need to keep that heart rate elevated and then just take a little bit of time to bring it down and then elevate it again so we can keep burning those calories, burning that fat, and get the most out of our workout. So I hope everybody enjoyed this video. My name is Ronnie Petito with Petito's Performance Training Center. If anybody has any ideas that they want to see in the future with these fitness videos that I put up, please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Until next time.